everyone, welcome to my channel Swathi's Outshine. There might be a question for our subscribers, why there's a change in the channel name and logo? I always wished to become a YouTuber casting the beauty tips and makeup, but I never put any effort to fulfill my wish and my passion. But then now, I decided that I should work for my passion and just because I love this profession. I was always worried about failures and negativity, but then now I built all my courage to break down the barriers and start doing what I love. So that's where I ended up to change the channel name from Wisdom Enlightenment to Swathi's Outshine. In my channel, you're going to find videos related to home remedies, skincare, beauty tips, makeup related videos, shopping haul, and vlogs. In my videos, I'll be focusing on affordable range of products. I hope my channel would be useful for many people to outshine themselves from their barriers. So let's start our journey. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for our channel for many such interesting contents.